BB Naija lockdown. Ozo finally reveals why he can't date Nengi. His reason will shock you. As BB Naija lockdown housemates give viewers different motives for which they can be supported, some have been observed to feel quite innocuous in their dealings with other housemates. In the evening of day 2 in Biggie's house, few housemates Ozo, Nengi, Lilo, Dorothy and Eric were seen in the bedroom chatting about who and who may become perfect match in the house. As was heard, Lilo opined that seeing Ozo and Nengi, who are both light-skinned together and possibly marry each other, will create amazing result of beautiful children who will look like non-Nigerians. However, Lilo's opinion seemed out of sight for Ozo, who objected that he and Nengi wouldn't match because their children's appearance will be very discomforting. Ozo simply stated that going in union with Nengi will definitely precipitate having albinos as children. And the Ozo statement says much about the reason he has been overlooking Nengi's green light. It could be remembered that in the previous days, videos and photos made round the internet where Ozo was not reciprocating the signal Nengi tried severally to send to him. Again, Ozo has also been seen reprising his actions towards Nengi. I'm available for shipping signals. Nevertheless, while Ozo during the conversation objected Lilo's affirmation that he will have beautiful kids with Nengi, Nengi, added a reaction saying she has jejely left the conversation, insinuating that she wouldn't want to hear more. Well, we'll keep watching Ozo and all that may likely unfold in future between the love triangle of Ozo, Nengi and Dorothy. Okay guys, stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment as I'll be bringing you more gist and more highlights from the Big Brother Naija lockdown show. Until next time guys, stay safe.